Hey everyone, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And this wig that I have on my head is an oldie but a goodie. It is actually a old favorite from my previous channel. This is the Jessica hair. This is actually their 14-inch water wave, or if you will, just curly hair. It is a, if I remember correctly, I believe she is a, let's see, this box doesn't have on there any info on there. I believe she was a 13, she's a 13 by 6 14-inch curly girl unit. If you want to know how to purchase this beauty, make sure you stay to the very end, or if not stay to the very end, why don't you just look down below in the description box and there's a whole link right there for you. So when you get your Jessica hair wig, it comes in a box just like this. It says Jessica hair on there. And it's all black, nothing pretty fancy about it. If I remember correctly, I don't think they gave out extras in it, but they gave me a box, if I remember correctly. But I did get this about 2 years ago, so this wig is literally 2 years old. Pretty simple. It has all the information of how to contact them, but I did purchase mine on Amazon. That's right, this wig did come from Amazon, one of my personal favorite places to always buy a unit, which is why we have a whole playlist that's for Amazon finds. So yes, now let's get into the real details of this unit. As you can tell, like, it's really curly, very natural curl. I parted mine over to the side. Like I said, this is only 14 inches. So this is what 14-inch curly looks like. So I felt like if I got a 16, I would be right here, 18 right here. And I do have their 24-inch one. The issue is that they don't make the 24-inch lace curly wig in that length anymore, but they still make a 20 or a 22. I have to do a little bit more research on that, but I do own that one, so there will be a review on that one. But let's talk about this one. So her curls are very lightweight, very bouncy. As you can tell, like I said, you can part this any direction with no issue. The lace is actually very natural looking. It did not come with baby hair, or it didn't come with enough baby hair, I should say. So I had to create my own, kind of give it that look of what my hair looks like if I did a wash and go with my real hair. There are 2 combs in the front. It's 2 combs in the front, a comb in the middle, and a comb in the back, along with the adjustable straps. What I did with my unit, with this one, they actually sent me an elastic band, but to me personally, it wasn't wide enough, so I didn't use that elastic band. I used my own, which is a little bit wider. So I did install an elastic band on this unit, so that way it's easy for me to take it on and off all the time, especially when it's about to be hot and it's about to hit those summer months. And you guys, it's hard trying to be cute and staying pretty cool trying to be cute. But yes, that was probably like the biggest thing that I personally did to this unit, was just add an elastic band. This wig is definitely big head friendly. If anything, it's actually, I'm gonna say it's more so medium head friendly when you first put it on, but after a while you'll notice that there's a lot of room. So it's definitely geared toward more so medium size to big head friendly. People with smaller heads, I cannot see you guys actually wearing this unit and not having a lot of, and not having a lot of, move around room. Like, you'll actually have more than enough. Other than that, I mean, this is actually one of my cute favorite get up and go wigs, and the fact that I did do the elastic band makes it 30 times easier to just, pop it on whenever I need to, pop it off whenever I want to. I didn't pluck I didn't pluck the part or anything like that, so I am able to move the hair anywhere I want because it's definitely free parting. That's pretty much it. It's definitely worth it. I love it. I love the curls on it. I think she's a very cute wig, very lightweight, and very she's not that thick. Even though this is actually 150 density. It actually feels thicker than that, but it's very lightweight, very breathable. So I definitely feel like you guys should definitely add this to you guys' collection. Also, whenever you want to purchase this unit, like I said before, like I said earlier, it will definitely be down below in the description box. Make sure you hit that link and make sure you leave them a comment. Let them know that your girl, Fashion Tamer, the tame one, sent you over there. And always and forever, if this video was to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the tame one, drops another video. And until we meet again, my tame raiders, bye.